Right, good morning everyone. We are back with another pressure washing video. You join me in the van. We have quite a nice day today. Blue skies. It is a little bit on the chillier side, but we have a very nice little job on today. It is a small block paved patio. It is maintained annually by myself, so every year I clean it. It does spend most of its time in the shade, so obviously it weathers pretty quickly, hence why I'm here every year. But yeah, it should be a really nice sort of straightforward clean. All the mess should just be sort of sitting on the surface. Nothing should be too ingrained, but the results are going to be really good. Now, yesterday we hit 500 subscribers, and then overnight we ended up jumping to 600 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you everyone for the support so far. Honestly, it means so much. I can't believe we're at these sort of numbers. You know, I think we're probably just over 2 months in. I think the first video came out sort of late October. So yeah, thank you everyone so far. This video is currently being filmed on the 16th of December. This video will be uploaded on, I want to say, the 28th of December, so it'd be the weekend, literally straight after Christmas. So who knows where we're going to be at by then. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so far for all of the support. It really does mean a lot. But yeah, let's go have a little look at what we are cleaning. Here we are then everyone. So this is the patio we are working with today. As you can see, the block pavers, they are discoloured. But definitely not the worst sort of condition ever. There is usually a hot tub there, so that is why those blocks are much cleaner than sort of the surrounding blocks. If we just have a little look, obviously this is probably the worst section. You'll see there is a lot of moss and weeds in between the blocks, but the grime on the surface is pretty much just algae, and you know, nothing's too ingrained there, so it should all clean off really nicely. As we come down here, you will see we do have just a few slate slabs as well, so we're going to get the steam on it, probably maybe 40 degrees, nothing crazy, but it will just help enhance the results achieved today and sort of improve the longevity of the results achieved today as well. So so yeah, get the 40 degree steam on it, and we'll just transform this patio. So yeah, let's get on with the clean. Right, everyone, the pressure washing is all complete on this job and it looks absolutely incredible. As you can see behind me, it is all blended in really nicely. So obviously we had that clean patch in the middle from where that hot tub was. Everything has blended in super well and obviously cleaned up really nicely. There's absolutely zero imperfections throughout the whole patio. It looks absolutely incredible. Obviously this section down here was obviously the worst. It was really dark, really discoloured. There was obviously a lot of moss and weeds as well. But yeah, everything has come up really, really well. We do have the slate slabs up here as well, which I've also cleaned up really nicely. Obviously, there's just a few gaps in the pointing now. The pointing has never been sort of redone, so this is the original pointing. I did lower the pressure when doing this. You may have seen it did take a little bit longer just to get through that grime, just because obviously the pressure was lowered. But yeah, that is everything from me, guys. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next Sunday.